Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan's 23-year-old son Aryan Khan and two others have been placed in NCB custody for a single day. Following their arrest on Sunday, following a raid at a party on a cruise ship off the coast of Mumbai late last night by the Narcotics Control Bureau or NCB. The NCB team boarded the Goa-bound ship disguised as passengers, sources said. The high-profile raid yielded 13 grams of cocaine, 21 grams of charas, 22 pills of MDMA and 5 grams of MD in all, the NCB has said. The charges brought against Aryan Khan include purchase, possession and use of banned substances, it added. He was produced in court in the evening where the agency was granted custody of those arrested till Monday, which is today, and Aryan Khan's lawyer Satish Maneshinde demanded bail, saying the client had been arrested only on the basis of chat messages.
8 लोगों को डिटेन किया गया, वो ऑलरेडी पब्लिक डोमेन में शेयर किया गया है और लगातार ये कार्रवाई आगे भी होगी क्योंकि जो भी इनपुट्स इन लोगों से मिल रहे हैं उसको ही इनपुट मानकर आगे भी कार्रवाई हो सकता है कई दिनों तक की जाए। एनसीबी का काम ये नहीं है कि किस इंडस्ट्री के लड़के और कौन शामिल हो रहा है, कौन इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट का बेटा है, कौन फिल्म स्टार का बेटा है, ये काम हमारा नहीं है। हमारा काम है एक समान पैमाने से कार्रवाई करना और उसी पैमाने से हम लोग कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं और लगातार ये कार्रवाई आगे भी जारी रहेगी और जो भी इसमें नेटवर्क में शामिल पाए जाएंगे, चाहे वो किसी भी ओहदे के लोग हों, whether it is rich people, whether it is poor people, whether it is racketeers, whether it is suppliers, everybody will be targeted because that is our mission. The mission is drug-free India.
मुझे मीडिया के द्वारा ही ये पता चला है कि एनसीबी ने एक बहुत बड़ी कार्रवाई हाई सीज में की है। वहाँ पर एक शिप के ऊपर बड़े पैमाने पर पार्टी चल रही थी और जिसमें ड्रग्स भी थे और उन सबको वहाँ पर रोका गया है और एनसीबी ने बड़े ही एक गुप्त तरीके से ये सारी कार्रवाई की। इसके बाकी डिटेल्स आए नहीं है, वहाँ कौन है कौन नहीं है, ये इस पर अटकलें लगाना भी ठीक नहीं। जैसे वो सब आ जाएगा तो उस पर रिएक्शन हम देंगे।
My colleague Saurabh Gupta joins us with the latest details. Saurabh, Aryan Khan's lawyer demanding bail, saying that his client had been arrested only on the basis of chat messages. Is this bail request likely to come through?
Well, that's of course dependent on how the court sees the arguments that will be made both by the NCB and of course the lawyer on behalf of Aryan Khan, which is Mr. Satish Maneshinde. But what we know so far is that we're being given to understand by sources that based on chats, the Narcotics Control Bureau, which is the agency which has a mandate to go after drug cartels, large suppliers of drugs, and basically to end the drug menace in India, has picked up what we call allegedly a supplier, and based on this they may seek another day's custody to interrogate. But that's where it is as far as the NCB is concerned. We are also being told that the people who've been picked up with Aryan Khan will be taken to court at around 2 in the afternoon. But what the question is really, and that's something that perhaps many are raising, is that India needs to fight the drug menace, that there needs to be a strategy to ensure that young people do not have access to contraband substances, that the supply chains are stopped and that the consignments that are coming in are apprehended. Because many believe that going after end users or consumers defeats the purpose of ending the drug menace, because it is something, at the end of the day, the person who's consuming it is a victim of substance abuse. But if the supply is stopped, then there won't be any substance that can be misused. So that's one argument, and the Congress is alleging that the Narcotics Control Bureau's action is of course something that's been planned to take the attention away from the massive seizure of heroin off the at a port in Gujarat, and that's something that the Congress is alleging. So obviously the NCB's mandate is to create a drug-free India, but are they adopting the right method? Is it effective? There are question marks on that. And should they be going after individual consumers, or should they be attacking the cartels that actually push these drugs to people who are vulnerable. So obviously that's one question. And also, as far as the NCB is concerned, they say that, look, we'll go after anyone, supplier, buyer, consumer, cartels, smuggler, whoever it is. But this, of course, has been a matter of debate over the last few months, especially since the NCB, the Narcotics Control Bureau's actions, seem to have concentrated on the film industry, with several top stars being called in for questioning, and also one superstar's son being arrested in an alleged case of substance abuse, though Aryan Khan's lawyer argues that there was no substance seized from him on person. What the NCB clarifies on that is also something that everyone's going to look out for in the court.
Yes, Saurabh, we will be tracking NCB's verdict very closely, but just picking up on the details you shared with us for the benefit of our viewers, an alleged supplier has been picked up, and according to my colleague Saurabh Gupta's details, the NCB custody might be extended by a day depending on how the NCB proceedings go. We also have Rohit Khilani joining us from Bombay with the latest update. Rohit, close to 3,000 kgs of heroin was seized at Gujarat's Mundra port. We've seen this all over Twitter as well. This was early last month. But this seems to be blowing up in comparison to that case. What are the reactions on ground? What are the details you can share with us at the moment?
You're absolutely right, Parmeshwar. If we compare these two cases, like Saurabh was mentioning, the bigger plan is to go behind the cartels and behind the suppliers. But clearly this case getting all the attention because superstar's son is involved, Shah Rukh Khan's son is involved. And that's in fact the debate on social media as well. That of course, while the fact is that everybody should be equal in front of the law, is Shah Rukh Khan's son being targeted because he's Shah Rukh Khan's son, and this becomes a high profile case. So these are the two things. We also saw superstar Salman Khan visiting Shah Rukh Khan's home late last night. He lives down the road from Mannat, and clearly the industry is standing by him in these tough times for the family.